Yeah, first of all, I will thank the dear farmers about the improvements that we have made. Actually, people have been having issues. They've been saying there is a season of animals to get sick. So people, we are there, very ready, waiting to see animals dying in November or December. But like right now, since I started sharing the knowledge with you, we have completely improved. We no longer wait for the seasons to say that the animals are now going to die. We really know, and we know the issue was poor vaccination schedule. But as per now, we have started doing the very good vaccination program, and now it's just simple mortalities. We don't deny that animals don't get sick. They really get sick and they die, which is okay. But it shouldn't be massive, like serious mortality. Somebody losing over 100 goats, somebody losing over 50 goats. That's a lot of money. If I lose 100 goats, that means I'm losing 40 millions at any given point. But I will thank you that we have cooperated with whoever is helping you to do the vaccination and treatment. Here is the point today. I'm going to do a post-mortem. You know, when death happens in your flock, it is a disadvantage for a farmer. But doing a post-mortem, it is an advantage that you can know what is existing in your flock. Most of the time, we do what they call the tentative diagnosis. We look at the signs, then we relate the possible disease, then we give the treatment. Most of the time, we don't take the lab samples to check. So if an animal dies on your farm, you have the best alternative would be to do the post-mortem, to find out what exactly caused that mortality, what really caused that death. So actually today, you see these animals are really looking perfect, but there is this situation whereby an animal goes to the field when it is okay. It doesn't have any issues. But coming back in the morning, you find an animal dead already. So we have got over 4 or 5 goats doing the same stuff. So today I have come to find out what could be the possible cause of that mortality. An animal dies abruptly, it has froth, it kicks, you know. We need to find out, and I'm going to show it to you, that what could be the possible cause of death on that animal. So let's find out and let's keep in touch.